Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd. I'm Jim Weatherup, Chairman of the Oswego County Legislature. With me today are Diane Oldenburg, Senior Public Health Educator for the Oswego County Health Department, and Zach Griswold, Employment Specialist for Oswego County Workforce New York. I'd like to start off today's presentation by addressing some questions that have come up in the past few days regarding the statistics that are reported in the Health Department's daily updates. From time to time, there seems to be discrepancies between the information the Health Department is reporting and information posted on social media or other sources. The Oswego County Health Department reports on cases that are confirmed by the New York State Department of Health or other official sources. We must be consistent in the criteria we use, and we must respect the privacy of our residents, both the sick and the well. Federal and state privacy laws prohibit the county from discussing the details of individual cases. Depending upon the testing location, lab analysis, and other factors, the timing of test results may vary, and the reporting of cases will also vary in time. If a death is caused by confirmed COVID-19, that fact will be released without further identifying details. While members of the public are free to discuss or speculate in public forums, and often do, federal and state privacy laws prohibit the county from discussing the details of individual cases publicly. That being said, I will introduce Diane Oldenburg for today's daily report.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. So today, before I gave the numbers, I wanted to talk a little bit about testing in Oswego County. Oswego County continues to test for COVID-19. Currently, the tests offered tests for the virus. Oswego County continues to follow the New York State testing guidelines for COVID-19. A test would be authorized when an individual has come into proximate contact, meaning the same office space or gathering of another person known to be positive for COVID-19 and has symptoms, or an individual has traveled to a country that the CDC has issued a level 2 or level 3 travel health notice, and that person shows symptoms of illness, or an individual is quarantined and has shown symptoms of COVID-19 illness, or an individual is symptomatic and has not tested positive for any other infection, or other cases where the facts and circumstances warrant testing as determined by a healthcare provider in consultation with the local health department. Anyone that meets these guidelines are offered a test. During the health department's investigation into positive cases, anyone known to have come in contact with that positive person is notified and absolutely would be offered a test if showing symptoms for COVID-19. At times, individuals have declined testing for a variety of reasons. For a brief period of time, from March 30th to April 1st, symptomatic individuals in a household of someone that tested positive were not offered a test. This was due to concerns over the availability of testing supplies. This is no longer the case now. Anyone that has questions about testing or needs to schedule a test should call the Oswego County COVID-19 hotline at 315-349-3330. So as of today, we've had 1,330 residents tested for COVID-19. We've had 57 positive test results turned into the health department. We have 46 residents that have recovered from COVID-19. We have 2 deaths that have been confirmed from COVID-19. We have 1,211 negative test results that have been returned to the health department, and we have 56 tests that are still pending. Currently, we have 85 residents under precautionary quarantine, and we have 86 residents that are under mandatory isolation or quarantine.
Thank you, Diane. With social distancing in place, many people have found themselves spending their day housebound with a lot of free time on their hands. Oswego County Workforce New York is a county program that helps people develop their employment skills. They are offering an online learning system that anyone can use to learn new skills and even explore a new career. The system is called Skill Up Oswego County, and it's available free to anyone with high-speed internet access. Our guest today, Zach Griswold, is an employment specialist at Oswego County Workforce New York. We've invited Zach to share some information about this online learning system. Zach?
Thank you, Chairman Weatherup. I am here today to talk a little about the free online program, Skill Up Oswego County. Skill Up Oswego County is once again being made available to Oswego County residents who want to use this time to enhance their skills and earn certificates that can help them prepare for local jobs that are currently in demand. Keeping your skills up to date is a great way to stay engaged with the workforce during this difficult time. Certificates are earned through the online courses and can be printed so you can add them to your resume or portfolio. All courses are free and you can work on them from home. They are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you can complete them at your own pace. The only thing you need to get started is high-speed internet access and an email address. Skill Up Oswego County includes two parts of the metrics learning system. The first part is the Prove It assessments, which allow you to earn a certificate based on the skills that you already know, skills that you may have learned in a previous job or in your personal life. With over 900 assessments, you can prove to employers that you have the skills needed to do the job. Second is the SkillSoft catalog, which has over 9,000 topics to choose from. There are courses available for almost any occupation, including clerical, communications, customer service, finance, hospitality, human resources, information technology, management, Microsoft Office, project management, retail sales, warehousing, and many more. For all of these courses, you do not need to have any prior experience or knowledge. They include all of the coursework and a transcript study guide to help you learn the material and be successful. After you pass the final exam in a course, you also earn a certificate. Additionally, you can explore various career pathways and see what skills are needed for over 1,000 job titles. There are courses to help you learn how to manage your career, set goals, and discover your strengths. You can fine-tune your presentation skills and learn professional networking using Facebook and LinkedIn. Support is available through the Metrics Help Center and the Workforce New York Career Center staff. Skill Up is brought to you by Oswego County and the Workforce Development Board of Oswego County.
Thank you, Zach. We appreciate you coming in. I want to remind everyone that many of our county offices are closed during the COVID-19 pandemic, but employees are working remotely and services are still available. These are challenging times for all of us. Some families have had their lives turned upside down. This is a time when we need to be looking out for one another. One way we can do that is to avoid repeating rumors and speculating on hearsay. If you're not sure of an answer, call the health department hotline or go to another credible and factual source of information. I encourage you to share these videos with your family and friends. All of the latest information is posted on the health department's COVID-19 webpage at health.oswegocounty.com/COVID-19 and oswegocounty.com. You can also call the county health department's COVID-19 hotline at 315-349-3330. This hotline is staffed every day from 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Once again, I thank you for your continued patience and cooperation.